Yeah. Okay, guys. This is a 1-to-1 pulley, and now we have to try and do it. And 3, and a 2, and a 1. Okay. Yep. It's not working. Okay, guys. This is a 2-to-1 pulley. Okay, let's try and do it. No, I could do it a little bit. Yes, I could do it just a little bit. Now this is it. Okay, now I'll do it for you guys again to see how much I lifted off. My hands. And now this is a 2-to-1 pulley. A lot easier. But still really heavy. My hands hurt still. Oh. And now this is a 3-to-1 pulley. Much easier. And that's it. My hands hurt. I'll try this again just for you guys. See, so this I could barely do. This I could do. And this is the easiest because it has the most pulleys. And that's a pulley, that's a pulley, and that's a pulley. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That says 1, 2, 3. This has only 2. So the most pulleys is the easiest because you have to do some less first and look at my hands. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, now we're leaving Downey's farm and there, so make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching our video. It was a great time at Downey's farm, and now we are going home. Yep, it was nice. Yeah, my brother wants to go because we're so hungry, and now we're thirsty too. My brother finished all his water, and now we are going, and it was really fun. We didn't bought anything, and we were really hungry, so we want to go home and thirsty. We finished all our water, and we did everything. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure to share the video with family and friends. So, bye.